My name is Sarah, and I have a story that you might not believe. It all started on an ordinary day. I was walking down the street, lost in my thoughts, when I suddenly noticed something strange. The buildings looked older than I remembered. There were no cars, and people were dressed as if they had stepped out of the history book. At first, I thought maybe a historical movie was being filmed, but there were no cameras, no film crew. And the way people were looking at me, it was as if I was the strange one. I reached my phone, but it wasn't there. I checked my pockets. Nothing. No phone, no wallet. Nothing modern at all. My heart started racing. Was this some kind of joke? A dream? Or had I actually traveled through time? I looked around in panic. A man wearing an old-fashioned hat approached me and asked in a formal tone, "Ma'am, are you all right? Your clothes look unusual." I didn't know what to say. I wanted to ask what year it was, but I was afraid they'd think I was crazy. I finally gathered the courage and asked, "Excuse me, what year is this?" The man frowned and answered, "It's 1895. My whole body froze. This couldn't be real. 1895? Just moments ago, I had been in the 21st century. Now, I was stuck here, in the past, with no way back. Or maybe, just maybe, there was a way. If you were in my place, what would you do? Would you dare to live in the past? Let me know in the comments.